Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pantry Reset. Lentils are a cheap and easy item that you have in your pantry that are perfect for dinner. Today I am sharing a taco recipe that we make quite a bit in the house, and that's chipotle lentil tacos. I'm topping today's tacos with a simple salad of butter lettuce and scallions. Best of all, these tacos are to the table in about 30 minutes, and most of that time is hands off waiting for the lentils to cook. To make these tacos, rinse your lentils and place in a medium pot along with a whole chipotle pepper, adobo sauce, cumin, coriander, and salt. I like to make chipotles in adobo sauce and then freeze in small quantities so I can pull out as needed for recipes like this. However, you can easily find cans in the grocery store, and that works perfectly for meals like this. Place the lentils over medium heat, cover and cook until the lentils are tender and the liquid is absorbed, about 20 to 25 minutes. While the lentils are cooking, assemble the salad. Thinly slice the scallion and add to the bowl along with torn lettuce, olive oil, lime juice, and salt. Toss to combine. When the lentils are done, remove the chipotle pepper from the heat, or you can easily mash the chipotle into the lentils. It depends on how spicy you want the mix to be. Divide the mixture into the warm tortillas and top with the salad. Finish with a sprinkle of cilantro and cheese if desired. That's it! Easy lentil tacos that pack a really good flavor. One quick note, I know some of you aren't a big fan of spice, and I know chipotle can get a little bit hot on the tongue. So if you don't want to use chipotles, that's completely fine. To keep some of that smoky flavor, swap the chipotles for about a quarter to a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. It'll work just as well and won't have that kick. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the next video in the series, and as always, if you make a recipe or try one of the tips, snap a picture and share it on Instagram with the hashtag #PantryPower. I'll be checking that hashtag all month long, seeing what you guys are up to in the kitchen, and sharing on social media. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking!